Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create striking visual dashboards in seconds using Claude. So I've got a file here of some sales data and I want to use Claude to create a visual dashboard that clearly represents this data, its trends, and other useful information. So I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop this into our prompt window. Just head on over to Claude AI and you should see the same thing that I'm seeing. So once we've dragged and dropped it, I'll give it a quick prompt. How can I help you today? I want you to make a visual dashboard of the data in the attached file. Include relevant trends and information. I'm gonna go ahead and click on send now that I'm satisfied with my prompt. If you need something specific represented, you can also add it to your prompt. Just tailor it to fit your needs. And let's give Claude a minute or two. So the nice thing about Claude versus other AI tools is that it's really good at presenting information and writing it up in different programming formats like HTML, JavaScript, etc. Don't worry if it takes a while. Sometimes the servers can get a little full. And there we go. Here is our dashboard. So we can drag this window to make it larger. And it's done a good job of breaking down all the details in the tracker. So it shows our working days, our gross sales, our net sales, our best single day, and breakdown. Net sales, deduction, total hours worked, gross per hour, $37. Pretty good. Shows us a daily sales comparison. Very nicely, gross sales trend, and our daily log, which is pretty much our original file. So that's how you can use Claude to quickly create summaries, data summaries, and visual dashboards. And overall, it does a really good job of presenting it. It's very visually striking is the word. And I'm a big fan of how Claude handles tasks like these. So if you want to, you can click on this smaller arrow and download the file. Sure, I'll download it for future reference. And yeah, I hope you were able to learn something new, and thank you for watching.